I drew these in Fusion 360, and the files will be on Thingiverse under my name. This is what I call a finger hex wrench. Any of the hex bits will fit in here, and you can get into places that may be inaccessible for a full size and even a stubby screwdriver. There's a little magnet down inside there, and it's designed to take a 6mm by 1.5mm magnet, press it in there, and then put a drop of super glue in there. This is not intended to get things super tight, but to reach into inaccessible areas like up behind a dash or whatever. You can turn that. They have a little indentation here. You can put a finger on there and turn that up underneath something that you can feel but you can't see. I printed these on the Ender 3 3D printer in this position. Take that off the print bed. This will be a little bit rough sometimes. You can clean that up a little bit with a number 11 blade. Chuck one of these bits up backwards in your drill. Little sandpaper. You can polish that up. That'll turn smoothly on your finger. So if you think that might be something you would find handy, go to Thingiverse and get the file and make your own.